for today's video, we're going to see how to remove FRP from the Samsung phones. So we are going to use this BST. This is a new tool. So first of all, you are going to disable your antivirus from on your PC. Make sure you have disabled it first so that the tool might run easily. Going to manage settings, then make sure the real-time protection is off. Then go back for this to install SmartDAV in your PC. You're going to click there, then SmartDAV, disable SmartDAV. After that, you're going to run your application then. Okay, to download the software, the link is in my description. Then click the link and you're going to get the application. So in this process, you are installing the software. Follow the tutorial closely. Remember to subscribe, share, like for more videos like this one. So the tool you have already finished installing. So you are going to the next process. You can see the icon on the desktop. The shortcut is there created on the desktop. So after the tool has opened, I've told you to download this. To get this tool, you just go to my description. The link is there. Click to the link, and there we go. So you can see the files, the username and the password, they are already there. But you're going just to log in and you enter there's no need of asking of the username or passwords. They are both provided to the tool automatically. So here's the interface of the tool itself. You can see we are on the MediaTek. We have so many, Qualcomm, Unisoc, so many types of phones there. There's the auto. So we are going to start with the MediaTek. The Meta, you can see in reading info, factory reset, you got so many options. The services are there, reading info, everything. The tool has carried all the things for you need. So for the next, we're going to the Qualcomm. We are Qualcomm, Unisoc. They've got everything, the services. There you can see every model, the Unisoc that you want, provided with the Android phone you have. After the Unisoc, okay, under the Unisoc you can see the services are there, reading info, whatever. Even we have the dialogue. You can use the dialogue to factory reset on over. So we are going to jump straight to the Samsung versions. So for the Samsung version, this is the latest tool. It supports the variety of Android for the Samsung versions, including the latest, including S24 Plus, the all S series that are here, S20, S23, S25, whatever. FRP, factory resetting, everything is provided in the software. You have the Meta, you have if you want to change the files, everything is provided. Different types of fonts, the variety of fonts that you want, you just click on it and boom, you go direct. So we are going to drivers. It carries its own drivers. For example, for now, when I click at the drivers, the MTK USB driver started to update itself automatically. So what you are going to do, you are just going to chill and relax and do it for the driver to finish installing itself. Do not cancel anything, just leave the driver to install by itself. Or else you can do this way. You can go to the icon, then open the file location. After opening the file location, you can see the folder with the drivers. Click on the drivers, then you can see the MTK, but these are not the old drivers. So some drivers will update by time. So what you are going to do, you're going to install our driver there. So we should wait until the driver is fully installed. So I've told you I'm going to repeat it again. To download the software, you click on the link on my description. then you can download your software there. As I've told you, this software supports variety of phones, the variety of drivers, may it be Unisoc, MTK, any kind of phone, may it be Android version 7, 6, even the latest Android version. This tool is the best tool ever. I've experienced it, and I can say it's better. So you're going to wait for it to finish downloading, and remember to like, share and subscribe the video. Okay, we are going to wait till it's done. Okay, it will take a while, but just be patient until it's done. Okay, after it's finished, this will automatically pop up. So we are going to install the MediaTek, the MTK ASP driver. So you are going to fin into next, then install automatically. I had already installed it on my computer, but due to viewers, I'm going to reinstall it again. So if you don't have if you had installed the MTK driver before, you are going to click no, then continue. For me, due to the new subscribers, I'm going to reinstall it again. So you have to wait until it's fully installed. So that is one of the drivers that this tool carry, but there are several drivers. Just go to the folder carrying the drivers, then install each driver. The MediaTek has already been installed, and that was only for today. Click it, share, and thank you for watching.